What's up, guys? Just made it to Oconto, Wisconsin, on the Oconto River right now, under the Highway 41 bridge, and I am gonna do a float today down the river over to the campground. Planning to find a lot of stuff in here. I know there's a lot of cow jawbones in here. There's bottles in here. There's lures. There's a cool bass in here that's been following me around for a while. He's got like a cool leopard pattern on him. Oh, that's a new one. A bowling ball. Who would throw a bowling ball in the river? I just don't get it. Pretty funny though. And here we got our first cow jawbone here. Apparently people clean these up and make decorations out of them. It's pretty neat. Yeah, take that. Small beer cans. That was a big catfish. Don't know if these are four, but I got two. It's class. Oh, right here. Took the railroad track right here. How did that get way over here? I don't know. What this was for. Wheel. This is something Oconto, Wisconsin. Citizens National Bank. Oh, cool. What's this doing over here? Nice. Found a Coca-Cola bottle from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Look at that. Sweet. What's up, guys? Just got done diving in Oconto, Wisconsin, the Oconto River. Check out what I found. I began my dive up by the dam in Stiles, Wisconsin, and I got a lot of line and lures out of there. Saw a lot of fish and was feeding a lot of bass. Got some different chunks of metal right here. Piece of a railroad track, another heavy chunk of metal, a cow jawbone. I don't know what these things are, but I found 2 of them. And of course, a bowling ball. Who throws a bowling ball off a bridge? Somebody did. Got a metal plate for a railroad track there. A tire for a Tonka truck. This says the Citizens National Bank of Oconto, Wisconsin, and it has a number on it. Looks like it was some kind of coin container. Yeti cup, some more metal back there, a bunch of aluminum cans, a bunch of glass. This one here says United Beverage, Menominee, Michigan. Coca-Cola bottle here from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I don't know what this is, but it doesn't say anything on it. It says 94 on the bottom. A bunch of other glass, some broken glass. Pulled some plastic out today, this tarp, and this old tire, which is really floppy and falling apart. Fantastic dive. I ended up floating from the bridge, from 41 Bridge, all the way down to Quick Trip over here in Oconto. I just floated down, saw a couple big catfish face to face. It'll be in my underwater footage later. That was on my head. Just a great time, sunny day, water's perfect. It was awesome.